Hello everybody, welcome to the fourth part of this gaming tutorial. I was trying to show you how to develop a game using Java, a simple shooting game. So far we have come to this point. So far we have come to this point. Now in the last class we have discussed the closing button. Today we'll be designing the we'll be creating another class, another window where there will be some levels to choose from, and it will appear when we click on the play button. As you can see, when I click on this one, nothing happens. So let's get started. So again, I have to open a new class. I'm gonna name this levels window, and again it's gonna extend a JPanel. And as we're gonna going to work with some buttons, and I want to use some keyboard events, so I'm gonna have to implement action listener and key listener. Action listener listens to the action we do using our pressing on the buttons, and key listener listens to the key events. When we press any key, this thing right here will carry out our work, in this case carry out our code. Anyway, we have to import the JPanel, and still there is going to be an error. Now here it wants us to implement those unimplemented methods. If you have followed me through the whole tutorial series, you know that we have to implement the unimplemented methods. These three: key press, key release, key type methods are for key listener, and action performed is for action listener. So in this tutorial we are basically going to develop a third window where the user or the player can choose from different levels. So first we need to open a constructor where we will be writing the code in, and now let's declare all these variables. First JFrame, I'm going to name this window new JFrame. By the way, I have uploaded I've uploaded the images and the sound that I'm using in this project to my website. I have included the link of my website in all the previous videos, and I'm gonna be including the website's link in this video as well. So JFrame window. Now in this video I want to show you how to make a drop down box, like the way where we click on a arrow down sign, there comes multiple choices, so for that I need to open a JCombo box. In Java the drop down box is known as JCombo box. I'm gonna name it name of levels because it's gonna hold the name of levels. JCombo box. Okay, X. Now JCombo box takes an array of strings as a parameter. I have to import the JCombo box first. So now I have to declare an array of string. I'm gonna name it S because it does not need to be very meaningful, because it's gonna be only one array of strings, so it does not need to be really meaningful name, and that's why I've just given it S. So first level would be ghost level. I'm using the same name that I've used in my project. You can name this anything you want. You can use any images you want. Some of you asked for the images, that's why I uploaded these images and sounds. Evil level, and final will be my dragon level. Again, as it's an array, so this is my 0 index, this is my 1 index, this is my 2 index. I'm gonna pass the array of strings here, so it's done. Now I'm gonna be needing 2 buttons. JButton, enter button, goes to new JButton, JButton, back button equals to new JButton. By now you know why there's a red sign here, because it wants me to import the JButton. So I've imported the JButton, and I want again to make a custom font. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a custom font for the button, back button that is. I'm gonna add an image to the enter button. Font, custom font, new font, and it's gonna be bold for the button. Font bold, and size is gonna be 30. You can give it any size you want. And I'm gonna be using another font for the combo. I'm gonna name it combo font equals to new font. So it's gonna be italic and font italic. The size is gonna be 25. So I've pretty much done with the variables. Now I need to design the window. So first I want to paint the set background. Paint the panel as color black. I'm gonna, I've previously mentioned, you first and foremost need to window.add this. You know what's this? As previously mentioned, I want to add this panel to this window. What is this window? This is the JFrame that I'm declaring. So I want this panel to be added to the window. So now I want to set the size of the window. Window set size 750. I might resize it because I don't know what is the dimension of the picture. Set location 50 and window dot set visible true. Okay, so I'm gonna add the combo box. Here's the name of levels, and I want it to appear border layout at the start of the page. You can use any layout. There are a lot of layouts, and I think there are 7 layouts provided by Java. You can design your custom layout. You can find all of these details in the Java documentation. So I've added the layout. So I just wanted to show you what so far we have done. So in the main class, main of game class, in the main method, I'm going to initialize this window so that we can just see what we have done in this window. I don't want the whole, what's the whole opening image, then the home window comes up. So I don't want that. What's the error here? Create a method. Levels window. I think maybe I'm not writing it properly. I don't know what. Oh my goodness, I have not written a new keyword. Sorry for that. I'm really sleepy and dizzy for some strange reason today. I just can't believe I missed a new keyword. Anyway, so let's run this and see what we have done so far. So we have painted the panel black, and we have got a combo box, drop down box. Now what I want is to set this font to my combo. So name of levels, that's the combo box. Set font, and I'm gonna write the combo font, and name of levels dot set foreground. That means the color, font color, I'm gonna do it as dark gray. And now I'm gonna go back to, I'm not going to go back to show you what I've done. I'm gonna write the back button now. So first of all, back button dot set font. That's a custom font that I've just designed here. Then back button dot set foreground, that's color dot white, and I'm gonna set the background of this button as black, though it's black already, just to make sure. At times, for some strange reason there, you can see the color does not come up. So I'm just, to make sure that it's black, I'm just doing it black. And now I'm gonna add it to the window dot add back button. I think I might run out of time. I won't be able to add the sounds today, but I will do that in the next video. So what I want now is to border layout dot page end. Let's see. Now let's run this. It is, I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, you can, by now you can understand I'm really not into this today. I haven't set out text for it. Set text. So it's gonna be back. Now it is color black, button black. Why this thing is not black? Because I have not the background name of levels dot set background color dot black. Let's run this again. Yeah, it's black. So now I'm just the finishing part. I'm gonna add the enter button dot set, not set font, set icon, new image icon. I have to import the image icon, import, and you see my images folder, /. Let's see what image I'm gonna add now. Again, okay, yes, I'm gonna name this levels, no, enter. So, and that is PNG file. This image was suggested by my girlfriend, so it had the name of my girlfriend's name on it. So enter.png, enter button. I'm missing a thing again. I have to back button, add this, add key listener this, back button dot add action listener this, set icon dot add key listener this, enter button dot add action listener this, and window dot add enter button, and I want this to be at the center. Now the resizing part will come because I don't remember the image dimension. I'm not in the mood to resize the dimension, so So it looks good actually, not that bad. So okay, now I have to go to the button stuff. No, I will first define the action event. So I'm gonna name it AE, and if AE dot get source, I have described what I'm doing here in the previous tutorial. If AE, that means if we press AE equals back button, which means if we press the back button, it will dispose this window. I want it to be disposed, you can do anything you want, and my menu, new menu will pop up. That's what I want to do, and I want exactly the same thing here. The key event, I'm going to name it KP, and for key it's going to be kp dot get key code equals key event dot vk underscore escape. If it's escape, then window dot dispose. Then I want my menu M to reappear again. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, it's the same thing again. And now I'm gonna do the level part. That's enter button. I'm going to do define the enter button. So else if AE, is this video recording? I don't know why it disappeared. It's just bullshit. AE dot get source. I don't know how long I've been doing a video now. Sorry for the delay of the lengthy video. Enter button. What I want is, I want to print a custom message because my levels are not ready. So I'm gonna print JOption pane dot show message dialog. Now this is a custom frame given by Java. So it's for just to print the message that levels are still maintenance. So let's see what happens. If I press the enter button, it appears the levels are still maintained. Now what I want to show you and cap off this video then is to, if I select ghost level, there will be different message, evil level different message, dragon level different message. So for that I have to do get source button and name of levels dot set dot get selected index equals 0. Remember, what's my 0 index? That is the ghost level, and this is the number 1 index and number 2 index. So if it's 0, I'm gonna print out ghost level is still under maintenance. So I'm, for the sake of time, I'm gonna copy paste it, and for the number 1 index is gonna be evil, and number 2 index it's gonna be dragon. I want exact thing to happen when my key events are pressed. So else if kp dot get key code equals key event dot vk underscore enter and name of levels dot get selected index equals 0, it's gonna print this J option pane dot show message dialog. It's gonna be null. You can give it any buttons you want, but it's gonna be null for me. I'm gonna write dragon level not ready. So again, for the sake of time, I'm gonna copy paste it, and for one index it's gonna be wait a minute, what's dragon level? It's gonna be ghost level, sorry. Ghost is number one one index. It's gonna be evil, and it's gonna be sorry, it's gonna be dragon. So 1 and it's 2. So now let's run this. So if I select an evil and click the button, evil level is still under maintenance, and now I'm gonna click the enter button and see it's evil level not ready. Again, if I do for the ghost level, I select this button, ghost level is under maintenance, and if I click the enter button, ghost level is not ready. Now what I want is this play button to work. So, and in the next video I think I'm gonna add the sound, but this video is already a lot lengthier than I thought, so I'm not gonna do that. So in this menu section, if key event, another if else, if this is my menu window, if you remember, kp dot, so by now it's pretty clear, I think, for you guys what I'm doing. K event dot vk underscore enter. If it's enter, I want the menu window to be disposed and my levels window to appear. Sorry for this lengthy video, guys, but I don't know why I'm so slow today. What's the error now? Levels, when you create a local variable. Let's pause it and debug it first. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna lose it, you know. I'm so dizzy today. Levels, level. I haven't named the variable name. Would you believe that? And for let's keep pressed, and if this action event else if ae dot get source equals play button. I think it's named play button, right? I think I've given the play button. Yeah, it's play button. If it's equals play button, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna dispose the window, and I'm gonna open the levels window, LW equals to new levels window. So I don't know why I haven't given that. Oh, disgusting, really sorry for this, guys. I'm really not in the mood for some reason. So in the main, I'm gonna initialize my opening window to cap off everything we have done, and to show you guys how far we have come in this project. And let's run this. So far we have come here, and you can see if you go back, you can come again here, you can go back. And one more thing, I'm gonna just for this tutorial, I'm gonna set this one as I've done for all the previous windows. I'm gonna set it to undecorated true. So in the next tutorial, I'm gonna design our first level. First of all, I'm gonna add the music in this level, in this window, and then I'm gonna design our ghost level. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been a really long video. I'm sorry for the delays and pauses. I was really not in the mood. I had to do the video, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe because it will help you guys, you know. Thanks.